viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kashif Hussain, an English language teacher and a motivational speaker. You are watching me live from AK English Language and Computer Institute. How are you all today? Are you doing well? I hope so. Well, viewers, today I would like to discuss a very interesting and a very important topic of English language. You might have observed that many English language speakers, they feel difficulty while using the prepositions at the right place. क्योंकि वो prepositions use करते हुए बहुत ज़्यादा confused रहते हैं कि where to use prepositions, because you might have seen that we have a lot of prepositions in English language like at, in, on, inside, outside, around, under, below, above, and many others. Today in this video, I will let you know how to use a preposition which is very common. So firstly, I would like to discuss with you the preposition at. So the first preposition that I want to discuss with you is at. At हम different places पर इस्तेमाल करते हैं, but I have thought that I would discuss some major places where we use at. So the first thing is clock time. At हमेशा हम clock times के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock. When will you reach at office? I will reach at office at 8 o'clock. Or I will reach at office at 10 o'clock. Will you be there at 11 p.m.? Yes, I will be there at 11 p.m. So here you can see कि जब भी हम clock times के साथ हमेशा at का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. जैसे 1 है तो at 1 o'clock, 10 है तो at 10 o'clock, 12 है तो at 12 o'clock. Now the next one is weekend and public meetings. जब भी हम weekend के बारे में बात करते हैं तो weekend से पहले हम हमेशा at लगाते हैं. Where will you be at this weekend? At this weekend, I will be at my grandmother's home. At this weekend, I will be at park. American English में at की जगह on इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. वो on use कर रहे होते हैं weekend के साथ. जैसे will you go with us to the club on weekend? No, I won't go on this weekend. I will go on the next weekend. Also use for public holidays and weekends. Weekends और public holidays के लिए भी हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Like holidays आप कैसे इस्तेमाल करेंगे? For example, come and see us on Easter. इसकी जगह आप ऐसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Come and see at Easter. जितनी भी public holidays आती हैं, either Christmas, Easter, Black Friday, or these type of public holidays like Labor Day, so you can use at. लेकिन अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में इन पब्लिक हॉलीडेज़ के साथ ऑन इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं. बट वी फॉलो ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश, सो यू शुड यूज़ एट विथ ऑल द पब्लिक हॉलीडेज़. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज मीटिंग प्लेस. मीटिंग प्लेसेस के लिए भी हम हमेशा एट. वी कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ एट विथ बिल्डिंग नेम्स. बिल्डिंग नेम्स के साथ भी आप एट इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. लाइक वेयर विल यू गो? आई विल गो एट FTC building. Where will you open your account? I will go to HBL. I will go at HBL Plaza for opening my account. Will you come at HBL Plaza? Yes. क्या कर रहे हो? जब भी हम ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं तो ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज़ के साथ भी हम हमेशा at का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, will you participate at a concert? Next preposition that I want to discuss here is in. Again, बहुत common preposition है और we should know where to use in a right way. The first thing हम in month names के साथ लगा सकते हैं. For example, when will you celebrate your birthday? I will celebrate my birthday in July because I have a date of birth is 9 July. So I will celebrate my birthday in July. With seasons के साथ भी आप इन इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Like will you come at my home in winter season? Yes, I will come at your home in winter season. Will you go to school? No, I will not go to school in summer holidays. So months and seasons के साथ आप इन इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Places के साथ भी हम हमेशा इन इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, where are you? I'm in the classroom. Where is she? She is in her office. Where is your uncle? My uncle is in Switzerland. तो जब भी हम places की बात करेंगे तो हमेशा हम वहाँ पर इनका इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Part of days, जब भी हम दिन में किसी भी हिस्से की बात करें, either morning, afternoon, evening or night, we can use in. When do you get up? Well, I get up early in the morning. When do you exercise? I exercise in the evening. When do you check your email? Usually I check email in the afternoon. So आप देख सकते हैं कि in हमेशा part of the days के साथ भी हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Periods of time, जब भी हम periods of time discuss करेंगे तो वहाँ पर भी इनका इस्तेमाल करना है. जैसे कि how soon will you complete your assignment? I will complete my assignment in 3 or 4 days. When will you start a business? I will start a business in 5 years. So in the period of time we can use in. Now the last topic that I want to discuss with you is on. So now you can see that on can be used with part of a surface. जब भी हम किसी सरफेस के अपर पार्ट की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर हमें on इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है. For example, where is my book? Your book is on the table. That means the book is on the surface of the table. Where is my cell phone? The cell phone is on the chair. That means जो cell phone है वो chair की surface से attach है. So we can use on. On का मतलब ये भी होता है attached to. For example, there are not many apples on tree this year. यहाँ पर आप on जो use कर रहे हैं वो apples की attachment की बात कर रहे हैं with the trees. There are like, why don't you put your ring on your first finger? Next is lake or sea. आप lakes और sea के साथ भी on इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Where would you like to spend your weekend? I would like to spend weekend on sea with my family, with my friends. With weekdays के साथ भी हम हमेशा on इस्तेमाल करते हैं, like on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. On Sunday I was busy in some urgent piece of work. Okay, do you want to join us on Saturday in a road show? Yes, I want to join you on Saturday in the road show. So viewers, जैसे आपने देखा कि at, in और on हमने different places, different time और different जगहों पर use किया है. I hope this video will be very helpful for you in using preposition in a right way. And if you have any problem regarding preposition, you can feel free and comment on my channel. I will surely reply you back with the proper answer. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it, and yes, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for listening me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.